Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again for hopefully what will be an interesting lesson, if not challenging one. This is my take on Sail Away by David Gray. Okay. It's challenging in so much as you get D chord with the thumb over on the second fret of the bottom E sometimes in some songs. Well, this has several chords with a thumb over. Not just the D chord, okay, so it's a bit challenging physically, but I find it so. I dare say a few of you will as well. So I'm in standard tuning, but I've got a capo on the fret 1, first fret capo. The song itself is in the key of C minor in real life, as per the original recorded version from David Gray, and as it is now. He still plays it like this, okay, with a capo on the first fret. Okay, so hopefully you'll see my playthrough before you've got to this. Okay, I did a playthrough a few days ago, so I'm hopefully going to teach you what was in that playthrough. Okay, so starting off, the first chord, which is the intro. He just plays a chord for 4 measures on the actual recorded version, and it's this chord right now. From the capo we need to go 7 frets up on the 3rd string, the G string, first finger, okay, and then you've got your 3rd finger and pinky playing the 9th fret of the 5th string, the A string, and the 4th string, the D string. Okay, so you've got those 3 fingers there. The thumb, here we go with the thumb overs. The thumb goes over the 7th fret on the bottom E string. Okay, and the top E string and the B string are open. Okay, we've got that. It's tricky, but it takes practice, but it'll come if you keep persevering with it. So you've got this, should sound like something like that, yeah? And that's strummed for 4 measures on the actual record, okay? Okay, so when you've done 4 measures of that, if you want to, or you could just do 2. I mean, 2's enough, I think, really, but it's up to you. Go straight into. Now this is one of those songs that kicks off with the chorus first. Okay, it goes straight into the chorus after playing the intro chord. Okay, and you stay on that chord. Now this chord is actually called, with the referencing the capo on the 1st fret, it's a B minor add 11. Okay, so you play 2 bars of that or 4 bars of that. Sail away with my honey, put my heart in your hand. Second chord is exactly the same fingering and positioning of the fingers, so to speak, but down here. Okay, so just slide it down, and the first finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string from the capo. These 2 fingers, 3rd finger and pinky, are playing the 4th fret of the A string and D string. 5th and 4th string, thumb over on the 2nd fret at the bottom E string, and again the top 2 strings open. Okay, that's an F sharp minor add 11. Okay, so you've got those 2, same chord but in a different position. Okay, so just do those 2 lines again. Two lots of intro, right? Go. Sail away with my honey, put my heart in your hands. Then we go back to the B minor version, okay? Sail away with my honey. Now we go to a standard G chord, that way or that way, whichever you like to play it. It's okay, that's now. Then an E minor, now. Then back to the B minor at 11. Into the second half of the chorus. Okay, so the first half of the chorus, sail away with my honey, put my heart in your hands. sail away with my honey now, now, now. And then the second half of the verse is, the first line is a bit tricky because it goes to B minor add 11, sail away with me. It goes into that D, standard D chord with the F sharp in the bass, so you thumb over on the bottom E string, 2nd fret. Okay, so it's quite a quick change. That's like, sail away with me. Then we go to the G chord, standard G. What will E minor, B will be. Back to the G. I wanna hold you, standard A chord, now. E minor, now. And then we're into the verse. Okay, so go through this slowly. 2 lots of intro and the first chorus. All the choruses play the same way. Okay, so here we go. Intro twice. Alright, here we go. Sail away with my honey, put my heart in your hand. Sail away with my honey now, now, now. Sail away with me, what will be, will be. I wanna hold you now, now. Right, got it? So I do it slowly? I'll try and do it even slower, okay? Sail away with my honey, put my heart in your hands. Sail away with my honey now, now, now. Sail away with me, what will be, will be. I wanna hold you now, now. Right, now the verse. So you've got that G, now, E minor, now, and then we now. Now the first chord of that verse is a D6 with F sharp in the bass, or D6 over F sharp. So a standard D chord, but without the third finger. So the second string is open. So you've got the second, first on the first finger playing the second on the third, and the second finger playing the second on the top E string. Open second string, open fourth, open fifth, and the thumb over on the bottom E. D6 with F sharp in the bass. Okay. So it comes into that now, now, now. Crazy skies are wild above me now. And that's that chord that you played in the verse, which is the F sharp minor add 11. The second one you play, the one you go to. Okay, so that's in play there, and you do 3 lots, the backwards and forwards between this D6 with F sharp in the bass to the F sharp minor add 11. So it goes, crazy skies are all above me now. Winter howling at my face, and everything I held so dear. Right? So it's 3 lines like that, and then the 4th line you go back to that B minor add 11, disappeared without a trace. Now that goes from B minor add 11 down to an A chord. Okay, so you can imagine what it is. It's like a standard F shape chord on the 5th fret from the capo. All I'm doing is I'm playing the 5th fret of the 2nd string, the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and then these 2 fingers are going to the 7th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string. Okay, and the thumb again in play goes to the 5th fret of the bottom E string. Okay, top string open, top E string open, and that's an A chord. Okay, in this configuration. So you've got that line that goes up to the B minor add 11, disappeared without a chord trace. And then we go back to the D6 with the F sharp in the bass again. So the first half of the verse, first three lines the same. Crazy skies are wildly above me now, to the F sharp minor at 11. Winter howling at my face. Everything I held so dear. Now we go to the B minor one. Disappeared to the A chord trace. Right, now we go back to the D6 version again with the F sharp in the bass. All the times back to the F sharp minor at 11, please, again for another three lines. Never knew quite what I had. And again, little darling, if you hear me now. Now up to the B minor one again. Never needed to the A I had. Now we go down 2 frets to a G6. So the same shape as you've got there, you just move it down 2 frets. So you've got the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, 4th fret on the 3rd string. These two are playing the 5th fret on the 5th string and 4th string, and the thumb over on the 3rd fret, bottom E string, top string open, top E string open. Okay, so second time round, after the A, you go to this G chord, G6. Okay, so you do, on the verse consists of the 3 lines of D6 with F sharp in the bass to the F sharp minor at 11, does that 3 times, and then we go up to the B minor at 11 to the A, and then the second half of the verse is again 3 lines of D6 with the F sharp in the bass to the F sharp minor at 11, backwards and forwards 3 times. And then on the 4th time you go up to the B minor again and then to the A, but instead of going back to the verse D6 you go to the G6 this time, and you finish on an E minor, and then we go back into the chorus. Okay, so the whole verse, and then so here comes the whole verse. Okay, crazy skies, wild about me now. Winter howling at my face. And everything I held so dear, up to the B minor, disappeared to the A, just a trace. Back to the D6. Little times I've lost it for love. 3 lines like this. Never knew quite what I had. And again, little darling, if you hear me now. B minor, never needed A to had. Now the G6, spinning around inside my E minor stop, headed, and then through the chorus. Sail away with my honey, put my hand in your hands. Sail away with my honey now. Sail away with me, what will we will be. I wanna hold you now. Da da da, and another verse. Okay. So there we have it, boys and girls. It just repeats more of the same. Another verse, another chorus, etc. all the way through the song. Okay. So there you have it. Hopefully it's not the easiest song to play by far, but it's quite a challenge and quite rewarding if you can manage to do it. Thanks very much indeed for listening and watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.